Hey guys, we're back on the road again, and this time we're in Vancouver, Canada. This is the first time we'll be doing an install on Canadian soil, and we're super excited.
Vancouver is a bustling seaport in British Columbia and is among Canada's most ethnically diverse cities. We are here to oversee a high-profile install for a large international client using our products. The retail location is taking transformation, pushing through the demanding construction schedule. Ideoli's high-quality LED backlit mirrors are being installed today. They will be the focal point in the fitting rooms, enhancing the customer shopping experience. Another example of how Ideoli can invigorate your space.